I have got something really interesting and a bit different from your typical smartphone. This is the FOSSiBOT F116 Pro, a compact rugged phone that's designed to work almost like an action camera. It's small, tough and packed with features that are clearly made for outdoor use, recording and adventures. So if you are into travel, outdoor content or just want a unique secondary device, this one might surprise you. So let's not waste any time, let's get started. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The box is small, just like this rugged phone. Inside the box, you get the FOSSiBOT F116 Pro. First impression, this thing is small but thick and solid, but we will check it out later. Underneath, you get the user manual and warranty card. Then you have Type-C 33-watt power adapter and Type-C to Type-C charging cable. And that's everything you get inside the box. Now I have some accessories to show you. First, a curved suction mount. This is perfect for mounting it on a car windshield or any flat surface for recording. And I also have an action camera neck mount because this rugged phone is not heavy, so you can easily wear it around your neck and record hands-free. Overall, everything here is built for outdoor use. Now let's take a look at the design. What stands out the most is the large camera module and also the color. But I have this style finish with green accent, which something you don't usually see. On the right side we have the volume up and down buttons and the power button, and also a dedicated camera button for quick and easy shots. On the left side you get the SIM card tray and where you can expand the storage as well, and the USB port for charging and a fully customized button. Now, one of the most important features of this device is at the bottom, a threaded adapter. This allows you to attach different mounts or accessories, just like an action camera, so you can capture unique angles. Very useful if you want to record outdoor content or activities. Now let's talk about the highlight, the camera. The phone is designed like an action camera, smartphone combo of course, and honestly this is where it gets really interesting. Here's what you get: a 50 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide camera with around 150 degrees field of view. And next to the camera module you also get something unique, an ambient notification light. So it lights up for charging, incoming calls, messages, notification and a lot of other features as well. Super useful when phone is placed face down or mounted somewhere. This is real selling point of this device. So when you are recording, it supports 4K. So for videos, 4K supports up to 30 FPS and 2K 1080p 720 supports 30 and 60 FPS. So you have flexibility depending on whether you want smoother motion or high resolution. Also on the front you get 32 megapixel front camera, but it does not support 4K. It offers 1080p video recording. This is where it really shines. It comes with IP68 and IP69Q water ratings, so you can use it in the pool to take some nice underwater videos and also take it on adventures to capture great photos. I'm recording this video from FOSSiBOT F116 Pro from the front camera, which is 32 megapixel, and it does not offer 4K but it offers 1080p. And this is the result from the front camera. I'm walking slowly. and while video recording you can zoom in as well. Nice. The result looks nice, but I don't know how the result comes when I will export this video. Okay, let me show you the running result. It looks shaky. Not bad, not bad. Right now I'm using this FOSSiBOT F116 Pro to record this footage so you can see the actual result. And I'm using the ultra wide camera which gives you that action camera kind of look and also gives you more space in the frame, which is perfect for outdoor shooting. And the camera results not bad, and the audio also comes from directly from this FOSSiBOT F116 Pro. I'm also wearing the neck mount, so this is exactly how it looks when you are recording hands-free. This is the non-stabilization result in 4K. But now I turned the stabilization on in 4K and it's doing a decent job, and there's a slight crop on the corners if you notice before and now, but even while moving the video looks smooth. I have also mounted in on my e-bike to capture some riding moments here. The colors look natural, not too over proceed. For outdoor use, especially in daylight, the quality is actually very solid. And because of the compact size, it's really easy to carry and mount anywhere, just like a small action camera. Now I'm wearing this neck mount to take some shots so you can see how it works. Chumaka. Move to the display. It is 4-inch compact screen, 120Hz refresh rate, HD plus resolution. It's not about being the sharpest display, it's about usability and portability. You can literally use this phone with one hand, no problem. There are also many useful apps built in that you can use in daily life and for emergency purposes. And because it's so compact, you can put it in your bag and nobody will even notice it's a smartphone that you can use for calls or messages in an emergency. About the battery, it has 3700 mAh battery and 33 watt fast charging. So I charged it from 1 to 100% in an hour. It's not a massive battery, but because of the small display, it should last a full day with normal use. Inside, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, and you get 12 GB of RAM plus 256 GB storage, and you can expand the storage up to 1 TB. And don't forget, it has fast 5G connectivity. So overall performance is actually very solid for such a small device. I have taken some samples photos so you can see the actual result if you are considering it for yourself. So here's the thing, the FOSSiBOT F116 Pro is not for everyone. But if you are an outdoor creator, a traveler, or someone who wants a small but powerful rugged phone, this is actually a very interesting device. If you want one for yourself, check out the link in the description for some discounts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.